Bazzite versus Zorin. Which Linux gaming distro is better? Choosing the right distro can transform your gaming experience without complicated setup. Bazzite offers a cutting-edge environment, while Zorin focuses on ease and compatibility. Bazzite and Zorin are two popular Linux distributions for gaming, but they serve different purposes. Bazzite is built for performance and customization, while Zorin emphasizes user-friendliness and Windows-like compatibility. The core difference lies in their approach to gaming and system optimization. Bazzite is a Linux distro tailored specifically for gamers seeking high performance and flexibility. Based on Arch Linux, it offers a rolling release model, ensuring access to the latest software and drivers. Bazzite integrates tools like Sunshine for game streaming and supports NVIDIA GPUs with optimized drivers, making it ideal for demanding games. Its lightweight KDE Plasma desktop environment is customized for speed and aesthetics, reducing resource overhead. However, Bazzite requires some Linux know-how, as its Arch-based demands manual configuration and troubleshooting. This distro is perfect for experienced users who want to tweak every aspect of their system, from kernel parameters to graphics settings, to maximize gaming performance. While it excels in customization and bleeding-edge updates, beginners might find the learning curve steep compared to more user-friendly distros. Zorin OS is designed to provide a smooth and familiar experience for users transitioning from Windows or Mac OS, making it accessible for Linux newcomers. Built on Ubuntu, it offers robust hardware support and a stable base with long-term support releases. Zorin includes Wine and Play on Linux pre-installed, enabling many Windows games to run seamlessly. Its polished GNOME-based desktop mimics Windows layouts, reducing setup time and easing usability. While not as performance-focused as Bazzite, Zorin's stability and ease of use make it ideal for casual gamers or those who want gaming without the hassle of deep system tweaks. Limitations include less frequent updates and fewer customization options compared to Arch-based distros. Zorin suits users who prioritize convenience and compatibility over cutting-edge performance, offering a solid gaming platform with minimal configuration. Bazzite and Zorin cater to different types of gamers. Bazzite shines in scenarios where performance and customization are key, such as competitive gaming or streaming setups, thanks to its Arch base and optimized drivers. It demands more user involvement but rewards with flexibility and speed. Zorin, on the other hand, excels for those who want gaming to work out of the box, especially Windows gamers seeking easy compatibility via Wine. It's more stable and user-friendly, but may lag slightly behind in the latest software and driver support. If you want a distro that feels like Windows and requires minimal setup, Zorin is the better choice. For gamers who want to fine-tune their system and push hardware limits, Bazzite offers superior control and performance. Choose Bazzite if you are an experienced Linux user focused on maximum gaming performance and customization with the latest software and driver support. Opt for Zorin if you prefer a stable, user-friendly Linux gaming experience with easy Windows game compatibility and minimal setup. Both distros serve gamers well, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize customization or simplicity for gaming on Linux.